Flamingo Books. Enjoy with mathematics. Chapter 3. Multiplication and division of decimals.
What is multiplication of decimals? Multiplication of decimals means multiplying numbers with decimal points. Example: 2.724 by 125. 2724 multiplied by 125 is equal to 3,40,500. Hence, 2.724 multiplied by 125 is equal to 340.500. Answer. Multiplication of a decimal by 10, 100, 1000 means: when you multiply a decimal by 10, 100, 1000, you just move the decimal point to the right. Rules: multiply by 10, move decimal one place right. Multiply by 100, move decimal two places right. Multiply by 1000, move decimal three places right. Examples: 4.5 multiplied by 10 is equal to 45. 0.36 multiplied by 100 is equal to 36. 1.728 multiplied by 1000 is equal to 1728. Multiplication of two decimals. To multiply two decimal numbers, follow these simple steps. Steps: ignore the decimal points and multiply the numbers like whole numbers. Count total decimal places in both numbers. Place the decimal in the product, starting from the right. 0.6 multiplied by 0.4. Step 1. Ignore decimal 6 multiplied by 4 is equal to 24. Step 2. Count decimal places 1 in 0.6 plus 1 in 0.4 is equal to 2 places. Step 3. Place decimal 0.24. Answer is 0.24. Division of a decimal by a whole number. To divide a decimal by a whole number, divide as usual. Place the decimal point in the answer directly above. Example: divide 26.94 by 6. 26.94 divided by 6 is equal to 4.49. Final answer is 4.49. Division of a decimal by a multiply of 10, 100, 1000, etc. To divide a decimal by 10, 100, or 1000, move the decimal point left by 1, 2, or 3 places. Example: 4.87 divided by 10 is equal to 0.487. 937.3 divided by 100 is equal to 9.373. 520.81 divided by 1000 is equal to 0.52081. Division of a decimal by a decimal. Remove the decimal point from the divisor and then divide in an ordinary way. Example: 36.8 divided by 1.6 is equal to 36.8 divided by 1.6. 36.8 multiplied by 10 divided by 1.6 multiplied by 10. 368 by 16 is equal to 23. Final answer: 23. Division a whole number by a decimal. Move the decimal point to the right in both numbers the same number of times. To make the divisor a whole number, then divide normally. Steps: make the divisor a whole number and in the dividend, put as many zeros after the number as the number of decimal places in the divisor. Divide the new dividend by the new divisor. Example: Step 1. 21 divided by 0.5. Step 2. Remove decimal place to 0. 210 divided by 5 equals 42. 21 divided by 0.5 is equal to 42. Final answer: 42.